Guys, in this video we are going to take a look at alternative voltage summation convention. Here you see a circuit. We have 20 voltage and then this is 15 voltage. Here we have 1k resistance, 2k resistance. Let's say we assume the current to be this direction, okay, and this is a loop. We can assume loop this direction or the opposite direction, so it's up to you. But no matter what direction you get, you will always get the same answer. So here let's try to solve for this current. So if I assume this current to be this direction, then you see this is a plus to minus. So if the current goes from plus to minus, then this is a positive 15 voltage, okay. And then I am applying the KVL. KVL says addition of all the voltage in a loop is equal to 0. So by using that I can find out the answer for the current. So here the voltage across this resistance is V is equal to I times R. I is I, R is 2k, so this is I times 2k. And then here also you apply the Ohm's law, V is equal to I times R. The same current, like if the current in series, the current will be same everywhere, so the exact same current is going to pass through this one as well, which means this is going to be I times 1k. The voltage here is I times 1k. And then here also the current goes from plus to minus, so this is going to be plus 20, okay. That is equal to 0. Now we have to just combine and solve for I. So you can see we have I times 2k, I times plus I times 1k, so this is going to be 2ik, like a 2ki plus 3k, 1ki, that's going to be 3ki. So you can say I times 3k as well, okay. And then 20 plus 15, that is 35. There, that is equal to 0. Therefore 3k times I is equal to minus 35. Therefore I is equal to minus 35 divided by 3k, and that's the answer for the current. And you can take the opposite direction as well, like you can assume this loop to be in the opposite direction, okay. You can assume we took this direction, we took the counterclockwise initially, okay. Yeah, now if I take clockwise this direction, then what will be it? Now if we assume this direction, then current is if I assume in this loop, means the current is going this direction, okay. Forget about this, okay. I'm assuming this direction, so which means it's going from minus to plus, which means that's a negative, minus 15 voltage. And then here also minus to plus, so this minus 20. Yeah, I can write it like this also, minus 20, minus 15, minus 20. Maybe I avoid the bracket. Yeah, it's better to put bracket because I don't want to confuse. So minus 15, minus 20. And then here you see the current going from, like if I assume clockwise, then this, when it goes through this minus to plus, so this is going to be plus minus 1k times I. And then again same thing here as well, minus to plus, so minus 2k times. Actually resistance cannot be negative, so I just put the current to be negative, so I just put common here, maybe minus I here, okay. 2k times minus I, okay. So let's simplify this one. So minus 15 plus minus 20, that's minus 35. And then minus 1ki plus minus 2ki, that is minus 3ki, okay. So I had to put minus 35 plus minus 3ki, that is equivalent to minus anyway. Like if you put plus minus 3ki, you're still subtracting. So I can directly put minus 3ki right here. So I'm interested in solving for I, so that is equal to 0. I want to move this 35 to the other side, so this is going to be minus 3ki is equal to, if the minus go to the other side, become plus, so this 35, and then I is going to be equivalent to minus 35 divided by 3k, because if you divide by 35 by negative value, the negative number, the whole thing become negative, so you get minus 35 by 3k. So exact same answer. Even if you assume the current to be this direction or the opposite direction, it doesn't matter. You get the same value. You have to just keep up with the signs and stuff. Like you have to know that if it's minus to plus, it's a negative. If it's plus to minus, that's positive. So when you take counterclockwise, it all goes through plus to minus, so all become positive. If you take clockwise, all go through minus to plus, so all become negative. Okay, that's the thing. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my